In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Scuf coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Scuf full coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called Retail Me Not. And as you can see right here, you have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 5% discount off site-wide, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. Okay. And just let me close this real quick. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and you can use this promo code in order to get the 5% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website as well, which is called Retrieve. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use. So let's say, for example, right here, you want to get this one with 8% discount. So all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says copy code. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply just copy this promo code and you can use this one on your next purchase so that you can get an 8% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.